What does that say in this scenario?
That says that um, I should continue in the career path that I'm on, but how can I kind of operate in that more, uh, discernive and getting things done and being like almost hyper focused. That's that second personality that you're talking about, the one that gets things done. But that actually requires me to be more of a leader in and maybe delegate more responsibility than take on things myself.
And the other thing is that the number 4 personality, the one that basically round about 7, 8, 9 o'clock in the evening, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, all days. It doesn't
Okay.
matter work or no work. That personality tells you to change, isn't it?
Um,
At
I
that,
feel like I need to change that personality.
you need to change that personality. Okay. But the thing is that that personality is putting you off basically. That's what I'm trying to determine.
Yes,
Yes, it's making you waver the path you have basically always wanted to follow, isn't it?
it is. Yeah.